client first walks into a lawyer's office, one of the questions they often ask is, what's my case worth? What's the value of my case? And we'll tell them, I can't really answer that question right now. If you walk into a lawyer's office and a lawyer tells you after that initial meeting, I can tell you what your case is worth, your case is worth X, you should turn around and run the other way. No reputable lawyer will be able to tell you what your case is worth at that initial meeting. Why? It takes a lot of work to figure that out. It takes a lot of investigation into the facts, and the value of a case can vary greatly depending on a variety of different factors, including the type of injury you've suffered, the severity of that injury or the permanency of that injury, the amount of bills that you have, whether they be medical bills or other expenses, the amount of lost wages, the amount of future medical bills you may have to pay for, or future lost wages you're going to incur due to the injury that you've suffered. Also, maybe the amount of liability of the defendant. If the defendant was particularly egregious, if the negligence was particularly egregious, your case may be worth more than someone similarly situated. At Patrick Malone & Associates, when you walk in the door, we're going to meet with you and we're going to talk to you about the facts of your case. We're not going to tell you what your case is worth at that point. We're going to do a thorough investigation, reviewing all the documentation, the medical records, the bills. We're going to consult with experts in different various areas. We're going to work your case up solidly. And then we'll meet with you once we've done all this initial work and give you a ballpark figure of what we think this case is worth and what your chances of prevailing in this case are. And remember, just because we give you that number, cases and case values change throughout the course of litigation. It's always a moving target, but here we really focus on getting to the bottom of things, investigating things thoroughly, and giving you the best and honest advice that we can.